Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is by a company called Mongoose, and they are a monthly jewelry subscription. You get to customize 100% your selection of metal, so you get to choose between silver, rose gold, or gold. You can skip or cancel at any time. The monthly charge is $12 a month, and I do believe, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry, and they have mint mongoose black. That's $22.99. Free shipping. You receive 4 pieces and 2 accessories, and for every 3 months you are subscribed to their company, you receive a free gift, which is very, very nice. I like when companies do that. And it always comes in this really pretty teal packaging. So I'll just open that up. And I guess I'm at my 3 months because I have a free gift. And this is Magical Mongoose. Happy 3-month anniversary. So the normal thing is here. So that I have a free gift. And it looks like a nice little makeup bag, which is very, very nice. It opens up. It just would need to have a little bit of stuff put in it for structure since it was folded in the bag. That's very, very nice. It's like, it's a beautiful yellow zipper. So nice. That's very, very nice. I'm very pleased with that. And then it always comes packaged like this, with the mint mongoose seal. They changed their boxes. It used to be plain white, but now they have a real pretty design. So I'll just cut the ribbon like I always do on the back. It makes it much easier. So I just cut the ribbon. And then take, then you can just open one side. Oops, okay. And you always, there's little signatures. You always get a Werther's Original candy, which I love. Every time you get a thank you card without fail. Company that cares. That's what it looks like. Oh, didn't even notice that. So it came with a ring this month. And this is a leaf design. Don't mind my nails, they're a mess. They have to get done. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. Very pretty. Comfortable. Will fit on your middle finger. And I guess you could, I'd have to open it a little bit just because those fingers. But I guess if you closed it up a little bit, you could wear it there, or if you wanted to wear it on your thumb. But very, very pretty. I like that. And then it always comes wrapped nice tissue. So let's move that out of the way so I don't. And then you get 2 additional pieces, and they're always with their, with their tag on it. If you spend $40 on individual items on the online shop, you get your next box for free. And then they're always come packaged very, very well. I always have a hard time opening these. Okay. And then inside, they're always in a little bubble, like packaging. Get that out of the way. Oh, that's pretty. Let me just, oops. So here's the necklace. Beautiful greens. Nice long chain. And then it always has the extender with the mint mongoose emblem. Oh, that's really pretty. And lightweight. It's not real heavy. I'll show it to you up against something dark so you can see the stone. Let's get that to sit better. So that's it right there. That's very pretty. Like that. So that's the necklace. So usually, and the other one comes packaged the same way as the other one. Usually the necklace and earrings do match. Sometimes if you get a bracelet, the bracelet might match, it might not. Usually the ring does not, really match with the, which I'm fine with. So let's take the, oops. And they do give you the little plastic backs for these earrings if you want to help keep them in your ear. And they give you plenty. It's not like they just give you 2 and then therefore. So here are the pretty earrings right there. Fingers are not working today. And they're just the shepherd hook backs. And let me see if I think I'm just going to rest them on here rather than, there's little holes in this to, at least that you can see them as a set. So there are, I don't know if that's going to, that one doesn't seem to be laying right. Okay, so there's the earrings and the necklace together. Very beautiful set. Dangling. I mean, we did receive, I think it was like maybe 4 or 5 across, and it was more straight, but it was multi, and the earrings were very similar. I mean, these are very, very pretty. They would look beautiful, with the spring here and the summer. So I'm very pleased with that. And then don't forget the ring. We'll just slap him up there. I don't know if he'll stay. Probably not. Probably not. So we'll just put that there. So that is the Mint Mongoose for April. Oh, those little things are all over the place. For April. And I appreciate you watching the video, and please leave me a comment and a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. It really does help the channel for growth. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.